In this video, I will show you how to crochet turning chains. You use turning chains to add height at the start of every new row of crochet. Today, we're going to be using our Jersey Be Good yarn in the bubblegum pink colourway and one of our silver 12mm crochet hooks. Let's get started. The number of chain stitches worked depends on which stitch you are crocheting. For example, for single crochet, the turning chain is just 1 stitch. For half double crochet, it's 2, for double crochet, it's 3, and so on. To make your turning chain, once you've reached the end of your row of crochet and before you start your next row, simply take the yarn over your hook and then use the end of your hook to scoop through a new stitch, like so. So as we're working in single crochet, the chain stitch is just 1. Turn your work around and remember, when you begin your next row, you don't work into the turning chain. So as I'm working in single crochet, I'm going to skip my 1 chain stitch and work into the 2nd stitch from the hook, like so. So there you have it. That's how to crochet turning chains.